possible, how possible. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you guess which 7 facts I'm going to tell you today? Every girl has a dream to have the biggest collection of Barbie. So here I am. First, Barbie's birthday is celebrated on March 9th, the day Mattel's president and Barbie's inventor Ruth Handler debuted the doll at the American International Toy Fair in New York in the year 1959. Second, in Barbie's world, her parents are George and Margaret Roberts from USA. Other family members include her siblings Skipper, Tootie, Todd, Stacy, Kelly, Chelsea, and Chrissy. Third, Barbie and Ken were named after the children of Ruth Handler, meaning Barbie and Ken, one of the most fictional couples in the world, were actually inspired by a brother and a sister. Fourth, Barbie has a cousin in England named Frankie Fairchild. Her BFF Christy is one of her oldest friends. She is the first African American Barbie doll. Fifth, do you know at every 3 seconds a Barbie doll is sold somewhere in the world? By Barbie's 50th birthday in 2009, over 1 billion models of her had been sold by the company named Mattel. Sixth, Barbie's original outfit was a retro black and white striped swimsuit. And her hairstyle was a perfect little ponytail. Seventh, the first Barbie sold for $3 each. Today, an original mint condition could likely fetch nearly $25,000.